What's up guys, happy Saturday and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're doing some deep cleaning. I got back from a trip on Monday and it's Friday, so I haven't cleaned or grocery shopped or gotten my nails done. Literally, look at this. They're atrocious. I started ripping them and stuff, but we need to get our nails done and just kind of clean around the apartment. Just spend the first Saturday of the new year with me. I'm currently making eggs and I would show you, but my kitchen's kind of a mess. Everything's kind of a mess right now. So this is the first thing I want to get to is my makeup vanity, because if this doesn't look good, it just stresses me out. My journal on here and it stained this desk. This is so annoying. I want to get a new desk so bad because this just looks gross. So I know my apartment is still really messy, but I need to go to the post office because they close at 3 today, and I just want to head over there so I can ship out this Poshmark order that I have. But I want to do a little bit of makeup or something so I look a little more put together. I hate going out and then I just look a mess. I do that so much, and in 2024 I'm not doing that. We're gonna look more put together. Oh my god, it's so fun doing your makeup once your vanity's like all clean. Now we're just gonna put this glow screen all over and then a little bit of Benetint. Oh, let's do something with this hair. I swear, hair is like what makes or breaks your entire look. And since I have curly frizzy hair or wavy frizzy hair, I never know how to do it because it just always looks a mess. I want to do slick back, but I don't like how they look on me. Okay guys, so I'm all ready. I just put on this like one-piece bodysuit. I got it off Amazon. And then I just put on this black jacket on top. I'm wearing some scrunchy socks. Otherwise, these Uggs look super weird if you don't wear like scrunchy socks with them. I feel so much more put together, so let's go to the post office.
Thank you.
Okay, we're all done. So happy I got that out of the way. I didn't realize that for Poshmark, you can use any priority package materials that they have. So any of the priority envelopes, boxes, any of that. I didn't realize. I thought it was only the like flat envelopes. So I was nervous because I've never sold shoes on, oof, you can't even see me. I've never sold shoes on Poshmark before. So I was like, oh God, am I gonna have to pay the difference or what? But no, it was all taken care of. I figured I was just gonna go get my nails done right away because might as well, I'm already out and it's just gonna get later and later, and I wanna finish everything before like 3 so I can come home, finish my laundry. It's such a beautiful day out, and I wore the perfect thing, like this one piece that's a tank top and then just this little off the shoulder jacket because it's a little breezy. Obsessed. Okay, so I'm in a random neighborhood. Probably shouldn't have stopped, but I need to do a haul. So we got the star-faced pimple patches. I'm so excited about them. There was only one left, and there's this lady there, and she had these in her hand, and I was like, where did you find these? And she was like, they were just like right here. I think they're the last ones. And she's like, do you want them? And I'm like, no, you keep them. You were here first, like you keep them. And she was like, no, honestly, like I'm not even that interested. I'm still on the fence, so like you can have it. And I was like, really? Anywho, we got it. I've been seeing so many people talk about these Olipop drinks, so I wanted to try one. This is the lemon lime, and then I also got the strawberry vanilla flavor. And we're actually gonna do a taste test. Let's do the lemon lime flavored. Okay. Wow, this is really good. This just tastes like a Sprite, but like more lemony. Wow, very impressed. I give it a 10 out of 10. So now we're going this way because on that street, I don't know what was going on there, but we're avoiding that whole situation. Okay guys, so I just got home and I had an Amazon package that I don't remember what's in it. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's my embryo lease cream. And then what's this? Oh, I ordered these little like suction things that go on the back of your phone so that when you want to just take a quick video on your phone for TikTok or whatever, you can just stick it to anything like your bathroom mirror or whatever, and then it should, sorry, I'm making coffee, and then it should suction to it. This is what they look like. I got a pink one and a white one because I was like, can't decide. And then my embryo lease cream that everyone is talking about and raving about. I was like, okay, I have to get it. I have a little bit of makeup on right now, otherwise I would lather it on my face. They changed the packaging too, so I had some trouble finding the one that my friend used because I was like, why does it look so different on Amazon? And then I looked it up on TikTok and everyone was like, they changed the packaging, everyone chill, it's like the same thing. So I was like, okay, cool. If you guys are looking for it, this is what it looks like now. Tonight for dinner, I'm gonna do some white rice, and then I had this ground beef in the fridge from Costco. So we're gonna do this with white rice and maybe a little bit of salsa. Trying to do a nice healthy little meal, so let's see how it turns out. I normally don't make a second cup of coffee at all, especially in like the evening, but I really feel like having one, and it's Saturday, so I'm gonna make some coffee now. I actually already made some. I'm just gonna like put it together. No matter how cold it is, I always have to have an iced coffee. I don't like hot coffee. Unless I'm literally like freezing in like maybe snowboarding or in the mountains or something, then I'll have a hot coffee. Now we're gonna finish this almond milk. And then a little bit in here. I normally would grab my cinnamon and then my frother and froth it, but my frother stopped working today, so just gonna have to do this. Let's taste. so yummy. There's nothing better than a nice iced cup of coffee. And the beef is cooking. Guys, I ran outside because the sunset is insane right now. I literally left the beef on the stove. Look it. I feel like the camera's not picking it up. Hold on, I know a secret spot to get a really good sunset picture. It might be closed right now. Guys, this is so cute. Like, gorge. Oh my god. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna get off this parking garage rooftop because it's kind of creepy. These pictures I got are so cool. Gorgeous. Oh my god. They're so good. This is the one I posted. It's really pretty. I'm gonna run back home now. My meat's probably burning. So I'm gonna make the rice now, and this is the best rice to get because it's so quick and easy. It literally says ready in 5 minutes, and it's true. So I'm gonna do like about 1 cup of the white rice. Just gonna pour it in here. And then I already boiled water in this just to make it that much faster. So I put it in here like that. And I already have the burner going. I really don't like to spend too much time cooking. I like everything to be ready. It smells like it's burning. Wait. Weird. Thought I smelled something. And then all you have to do is just mix it. And then you just cover it and cook it for literally 5 minutes. So easy. And I just needed to get salsa because I don't have any. Also would have been so good.
Ginger?
Ginger powder. Wouldn't garlic be better? Okay, so we're putting some sesame oil in, guys. My mom says to do this because that's all I have. Okay, look at this little healthy girl meal. So this is what I'm having for dinner: ground beef with white rice and then veggies on the side. I put salt and pepper, and I just ran out of butter, and I put a little in there too. And then the little sauce that my mom said to put on here. So good. I'm gonna eat and watch The Act on Hulu. Dinner is served. Whose wife? Whose wife? Alright guys, I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video.